Good morning, welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some partly cloudy skies across the area currently with some cirrus cloudiness streaming overhead. We're going to see some mid-level cloudiness build in for this afternoon as well, but we'll have high pressure continuing to linger in the area off the coast. It's going to give us, in general, fair conditions for the work hours today. Once we move in the overnight hours, we'll see a cold front approaching and stall over the area, and that's going to give us a good chance of rainfall. Once we move into tomorrow morning, as well throughout the day on Saturday, and for possibly the first half of Sunday. Current surface analysis, we'll see this area high pressure slide off the coast. It's currently giving us those fair conditions for this morning into the afternoon hours. We'll also see this area low pressure associated frontal boundaries move through the region for our Saturday and kind of linger along the coastline for our Saturday evening into Sunday, giving us continued chances of rain showers. So taking a look at our current surface analysis, our current satellite imagery across the region, you can see we have a good amount of cirrus cloudiness across the region as well as some mid-level cloudiness start to build in the region. We'll see in general anywhere from partly to mostly cloudy skies this morning and then becoming more mostly cloudy in general for this afternoon, as we'll have this upper level cirrus cloudiness overhead as well as some mid-level cloudiness building in. We'll see some low-level cloudiness building in overnight with that chance of rain showers. And taking a look at our observation page here, you can see we do have those clouds overhead, seeing some rain showers off to our west across the Ohio Valley into the Tennessee Valley, moving towards the region for later today and giving us a chance of some rain showers by about 8 p.m. this evening and continuing in the overnight hours. And taking a look at the 3-kilometer NAM model here, this is the 12-kilometer NAM. Looking at those rain showers possibly moving in the region around 8 p.m. this evening and then developing along the area tomorrow. You can see here this frontal boundary will be stretched across the Delaware Peninsula. We'll see some energy riding along that. That's going to give us a good chance of rainfall throughout the day on Saturday. Looks like Wallops could be seeing more of a scattered variety shower for the afternoon hours as we see a steady light rain in the morning and into the evening hours. You can see here that frontal boundary lays across the region. We'll see the cold front move through the region for the evening into the overnight hours of Saturday into Sunday, and then I'll kind of stall across the region for finally Sunday morning with this front moving off and giving us a continued chance of rain showers throughout the overnight hours of Saturday into Sunday. Right now, looks like we'll see about a half to inch of rainfall across the peninsula for our Saturday into Sunday. So much we need to rain across the area as we are in a dry period across the region. Moving into Sunday afternoon, we'll see additional upper-level disturbance crossing the region. That's going to give us some breezy conditions as well as see here the NAM showing even some snow showers north of our area. But we'll see a chance of an additional brief rain shower across the region for Sunday afternoon. And with this, we'll see some breezy conditions with some stronger cold air advection with some northwesterly winds becoming breezy to possibly windy at times for Sunday afternoon. Then to Monday, we'll just see in general a high pressure in control, a chilly air mass more towards seasonable levels, and seeing mostly sunny skies. Taking a look at the European model here, and you can see here Tuesday we'll have that area high pressure off the coast into Wednesday. We'll see a large upper level trough starting to dig into the eastern portion of the United States. Looks like on Wednesday in general, we'll just see partly to mostly cloudy skies, not going to see much in the way of chance of precipitation, as well as in general light winds, temperatures mild for this time of year in the lower 50s. However, once we move into Thursday, looks like this upper level trough starts to dig across the southeast states and possibly generating an area low pressure off our coast, and that could be giving us some rain shower activity for Thursday. And some models are showing some winter type weather across the region for Thursday, but we'll continue to monitor this. It does have potential to be a system that impacts our region with some rain shower, possibly transitioning into some light snow. But we'll continue to monitor that for Thursday as we have about 7 days out. So taking a look at our risk chart for today, we'll see a high today around 59 during the afternoon, and then we'll see the temperatures briefly drop back in the mid-50s during the evening hours, and then bump back up near 60 with a southwesterly wind taking over during the late evening hours. And then overnight, we'll see those those temperatures, die down or drop a little bit more into the mid-50s to lower 50s by tomorrow morning with a northeasterly wind taking over, dropping those temperatures around 50 for a low. Our winds today will be out of the south-southeast around 10 to 15 knots, gusts to 20 knots, and then becoming variable in general, switching anywhere from the southwest to west-southwest, and light with that cold front or that stationary boundary kind of stretched across the region for the overnight hours. We'll see our chances of rainfall increase, as I mentioned, about 8 p.m. this evening. Our 20 local continue through the overnight hours with the best chance of rain coming in after 4 local. Not going to see a lot of total precipitation here from 20 local to 4 local, but it's just going to see some isolated scattered variety showers across the area. The bulk of the rainfall, as I mentioned in this risk chart, comes in after 4 local. We'll also see a chance in low ceilings with that rainfall moving in overnight. Our terminal forecast, we'll see VFR conditions for the work hours today, and then overnight with those rain showers moving in, we'll see ceilings lowering below 1,000 feet by tomorrow morning. Our tides are running normal, and looking at our Saturday into Sunday, Saturday cloudy, with rain likely during the morning, then scattered showers and slightly breezy during the afternoon. Abundant low cloudiness as well, high 58 degrees. As I mentioned, we'll have that rainfall activity throughout the day on Saturday. Best chance comes in the morning, and then those scattered showers in the afternoon. Saturday night, rain likely, very slight chance of embedded thunderstorm overnight. Chance of lingering showers after dawn, and slightly breezy late, a low of 55 degrees. We'll have that red condition for our precipitation on our Saturday night, as well as seeing those yellows for our winds for Saturday and Saturday night. Better chance of ceilings below 500 feet on the day during the day Saturday, especially in the morning hours, but we'll continue to chance overnight. And Sunday, overcast and mostly cloudy and slightly breezy with a chance of lingering showers in the morning, becoming mostly to partly cloudy and breezy with a slight chance of a brief afternoon shower, high of 49 during the morning, and then temperatures falling into the mid-40s by afternoon. Yellow for our precip here. Some model guidance is showing an additional wave of energy moving through the area Sunday morning, which would give us a better chance of some rainfall. Right now, sticking with this yellow, with about a 30 to 40% chance of some rainfall the morning on Sunday. But will become breezy to windy during the afternoon with some strong cold air advection, giving us some northwesterly flow, possibly gusting as high as 30 knots for Sunday late afternoon. Next 7 days here, you can see we'll see those rain showers in the region this evening, and then looks like a very good chance of rainfall early Saturday, tapering off to more scattered variety showers during the afternoon, and then overnight Saturday into Sunday we'll see once again a very good chance of rainfall, and then that lingering chance early Sunday after dawn with some rain shower activity possible during that time period. As far as our temperature goes, the warmest comes today and in tomorrow with temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s for highs, and then we'll see temperatures come back towards normal for Monday into Tuesday, Wednesday into Thursday, slightly above normal for Tuesday into Wednesday in the low 50s, but overall, in general, those 4 days will average about normal for this time of year. As I mentioned, Thursday, we'll continue to monitor that forecast as we'll see a 30% chance of some precipitation coming in on Thursday. Looks like could have a system developing along the East Coast, but right now we'll continue to monitor that being several days out. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today and a wonderful weekend. We'll be back at 8:15 and 10 a.m. Monday morning.